Hi QA folks, let's talk about how in Playwright you can check if element is present on the page or not without getting any kind of exception. So basically what we want to check if there is such element in the DOM tree. It will not tell us if it's visible or not, it will just tell us if it's present or not. It's two different things. And why do you need that? Because sometimes you will write, or you would want the same test to work conditionally for different types of accounts or different kind of conditional rendering on UI. So it's really a handy method to have in your code, handy function. I'm using it a lot. So how can you do that in Playwright? Here, for example, there is this header h1 tag. Let's take a look at the code. So basically there are three, maybe even more ways to do that. First one and the right one, the more preferable one, is to use this await page.locator.count and compare it to 0. If more than 0, it means more than one element found. It means it's present. Some element with such locator, XPath, CSS doesn't matter. It accepts everything. You can do the same with using element handles, $, but it's marked as deprecated right now. It still works, but it will be removed at some point in the future. And the third way, and get the length of the returned array. And the third way is to use page dot also element handle with single $, in passing locator, and if such value exists, return true, return false. Otherwise, be careful if you are going to use this method, that if you will use $, in this way, it will always return true even for non-existing elements. So locators, the same goes to page.locator. So be careful what you're using in this one. But yeah, use the first one. I just wanted to show you that there are some more options if you will need, if something will not work for you in this implementation. So let's check. Let me close browser, run it with h1. So it returns true, false, three methods. Let's change it to h2. Run again. All three return false. And one more thing, why it's important to have this method implemented, or to have such an ability to check element present or not, because you cannot really use wait for element to be attached or detached embedded Playwright methods, because they will throw an exception in case element is not found. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.